All right, everyone, so I have Isaac, who is a professional model. He's been in every magazine known to man. He's not even human, this guy. It's ridiculous. Oh, man. No. But Isaac is with us, and I'm super excited. And I want to just go over and show you guys his hair, because he has really unbelievable hair. It's like really straight, good hair to work with. And let's just spin around this way, and we can see kind of the before. Since you agreed to have me shave your head, I want everyone to see this hair is going to be gone. He likes my jokes. He likes my jokes. But yeah, so I'm thinking like, you know, I've seen a lot of your looks on Instagram and stuff, and you have a unique look. I don't see you as like a, you know, skin undercut. You can do that.
No. I go more for like the 90's depth, like Leonardo look.
Yeah, dude. Yeah. So I really just want to like shape this up, and this is a perfect kind of situation because not every haircut has to be like we're chopping it all off.
Right.
And I want to just kind of enhance a lot of this, but it's good for everyone to watch because, dude, your hair, it's so popular. Everybody wants to kind of that 90's like look, like the Leo look. I have like 8 million people that want this haircut. So, you know, so this is going to be a lot of fun.
Sweet.
We're going to get going. Let's do it.
world is spinning and I'm dizzy staring at the stars. I left the pages in my schedule, but they're falling hard. Find me on your way out, I'll be right here. The world is spinning and I'm dizzy staring at the stars. They don't seem so far. The sky is sunny, but the clouds are running in my head. I'm thinking maybe I would rather play the part instead. Don't know what to say now, I'll get my eyesight checked. But I can listen while I'm wishing, staring at the stars. They don't seem so far. They don't seem so far. I'm getting older and we feel a little colder. The world is trying to get us to treat.
All right, so we are done with Isaac's hair, and it looks amazing, man. And like I said, when I first started this, I just really wanted to clean this up a little bit, keep that kind of 90s Leo look and Johnny Depp type of look. Let's just turn this way a little bit. So what I did, as you see, when I go like this, right, before his hair was a lot longer, and I just wanted to shape this down a little bit, clean it up, still leave a little bit of length. This had a bit of disconnection, so I had to leave some disconnection, but now it flows in a lot more natural looking, so it's not just like huge clumps of hair. But the cool thing is we've got those like awesome pieces that come down, so we do have that length still in the front, so it's got a much better shape working into that. As we go around to the back, I lightly kind of just tapered this, blended it in, removed some of the weight in through here, left the nape neat, but also a little bit textured, and keep going around, same thing. Awesome flow right in through here, but then it does come down right into this area. So overall, man, it's a really awesome haircut.
Ah,
Dude, look at that, bro.
dude. Oh.
And bring this pieces down, man. Look at that.
I like the way
That's
it
sick.
sits here, and I also have my neck tattoo, so
Yeah, bro.
the hair was kind of covering it up. So
Yeah.
I like that now it can be seen. Yeah, dude, it's way lighter.
It is, man.
Like,
It's money.
much more comfortable. Also, like, I don't have to put as much product in it because when my hair's very heavy. I'm
It
sure
is.
you can feel it.
It is.
And like when it's long, it's heavy, and I have to put so much product in it to like get it to stay where I want it to. Now
Right.
when it's like this, like I can usually just wake up in the morning and like go like that, and
Yeah.
I'm good to go.
The good thing is about your hair, and you know, we put a little tidal wave in, which everybody knows and loves this stuff, man. I had to spray some tidal wave in there.
So good. It smells so good.
Thank you. So that also, for example, if you say you go a couple days without washing your hair, the sea salt kind of like absorbs some of the excess buildup in the hair, so it's really good, but it gives a lot of volume and texture.
Yeah.
Kind of like that beach. You know, when you get out of the ocean, your hair just looks like perfect and has
Right.
that texture.
Yeah,
That's what this does.
yeah.
That's what this does. So this haircut, man, everybody really loves this
So
haircut.
I can just like hop out of the shower and like
Spray some 4 or 5 spritzes in and just comb it through and let it air dry, or just do whatever you want with it. You
any
know?
products or anything, or just
Well, I have my own products, which, you know, I would say like for longer hair types, like a cream clay would work well, which I'll hook you up. I'll have some cream clay too. But a cream clay, a pomade if you want like a super wet, sleek look.
Yeah.
You know,
I have a wet one, but like honestly, recently I've been getting called greaser too much. Greaser's not what I'm going.
nah,
for.
man, no.
So it's honestly only because I get out of the shower and I'm always in a rush. So I put product in my hair the second I'm done, and then I spray it, so it dries wet.
Right,
so
I
it
see.
looks really wet.
Yeah.
I would normally like my hair to be dry like this, and then put some product in it,
Yeah, so
and then spray it. But
I'll hook you up with
I
some.
like the way this feels.
Yeah, I have a cream clay, and you'll notice when the hair's like freshly super clean and washed, you'll notice a difference. But I have a cream clay, which dries similar to that, which I'll hook you up with. But Isaac, man, thank you. Thank you so much for letting me cut. Like, he trusted a bald guy. I can't believe you, Isaac. You trusted a bald guy to cut your hair.
Hey,
and also, I have a special going on with my products, man. If you use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20, 20% off and free shipping in the United States. I try to hook up my viewers. Definitely follow Isaac on social media. And thanks for being a model today, man. And we'll see you soon.
Thanks, guys. Later.